The elevator stopped. You know the routine. You can get out now or whatever. Stay here if you want. So, funny story. A dead body was found in this vent once. Okay, so not that funny, but it's a story.
Add a soundtrack. Now, watching him, I discovered that every beautiful sound also creates an equally beautiful picture. Suppose we hear and see
the rain.
And now,
The airplane.
now let's
Listen to the train.
All right, now, how about
Boots.
Okay, let's start with your nightly chores. You should check on
Crickets.
make sure she's on her stage, but whatever. Huh. I guess Ballora has better things to do. Let's.
Try the ocean.
That should be fun. Let's check
The
on.
grandfather clock.
Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
Great. Great. Great.
You have completed the maintenance checklist and may proceed with the salvage. Well done. End tape.